Hello everyone. So you've just seen a nice little run around, walk around video with the MGM type body that's being constructed. So I thought we ought to do another one on the American LaFrance. So we've got through the drawing and design process with the customer. We've now built a rudimentary mock-up just to put kind of some three-dimensional shapes to the two-dimensional drawing. And so yeah, now we have the mock-up. And you know, the customer's been down, had a look. He's suggested a few modifications now, so we'll get on and get that done at the mock-up stage. And yeah, so here you can see something lovely chunky bit of ash. So this is one of the bare kind of components before it's cut and shaped, ready for construction. You know, this is the main body rail that will be bolted directly onto the chassis. Well, not directly onto the chassis actually, because if we do a close-up on that side, you can see from when we last looked, we now have this rubber on there. So this is really good, nice, heavy duty, obviously completely waterproof. Provides a nice buffer between the wood and the metal of the chassis. So you know, all cut out past the rivets, past the bolts. So that's now ready to accept the new body. And if we swing around over here, we can see all these other pieces of ash. Again, all dimensioned, ready for cutting, shaping and jointing, and ready to make the bodies, because you've got enough here for two bodies. So, there we go.